Sorry. Sorry, your video quality. No, এটা ঠিকঠাকই আছে তো ভিডিও কোয়ালিটি। ওকে। হ্যাঁ। গুড ইভিনিং। যারা লাইফে আছো তারা একটু কমেন্টস করে দাও যে তারা লাইফে আছো। নিচে নিজের নামটা একটু লিখে দাও যারা লাইফে আছো, সুবিধা হবে। আর ভিডিও কোয়ালিটিটা একটু রিজলিউশনটাকে হাই করে দাও। শাশ্বত শাশ্বত, ডু ইউ ওয়ান্ট টু লার্ন অ্যাবাউট দ্য স্পিড, ডিস্টেন্স অ্যান্ড টাইম? ভেরি গুড, গুড। Okay. So what about other student? Okay, thank you. Okay, today I'm going to discuss about the speed, distance and time. Just hold for 1 minute. Sasuto, can you hear me? Everyone, can you hear me? Okay, okay. Thank you. Today I'm going to discuss about the speed, distance, and time. Okay. I already uploaded this video in my channel. We are just simply discussing about this matter. Okay. So first of all, speed. Speed equals to distance by time. That means the number speed equals to distance by time. That means that is the number of kilometer you traverse by number of unit of time. Think about the distance between from Mendipur to Kolkata is 200 kilometers, and you are simply taking the time of 4 hours. So 200 kilometer you are taking 4 hours means 4. That means your speed 50 kilometer per hour. Okay. Kilometer per hour is very important part. The unit of the speed is kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. That means you are traversing or you are covering 50 kilometer in 1 hour. That means 50 kilometer in 1 hours. Okay. Now distance. Distance equals to speed into time. That means think about your speed is 50 kilometer and you are simply taking time is 3 hours. That means your total distance is 50 into 3, 150 kilometers. Total distance unit should be in kilometer. Okay. And what is the about the time? Time equals to distance by speed. That means distance by speed. That means think about your total distance is 200 kilometer and your speed is 50 kilometer per hour. So what time you will take to finish the journey? That means total distance is 200 and total time taken is total speed is 50 kilometer per hour. If you are taking a ninja bike, then should be the 200 kilometer of the speed, then it can cover the time within 1 hour. So 54 ja. So your time should be 4 hours. Okay. So these three parameters is very important for the speed, distance, and time. So we are using here. We are using the unitary method as well as the formula to simplify those problems. Okay. If we'll start the problem, start the math. If you face any problem, I'll see in the comment section. Okay, I'll try to sort out all those problems. Okay, now first question is 70 kilometer per hour convert into meter per second. That means your given question is 72 kilometer per hour. What is the meaning of that? This means the particular vehicles traverse in 1 hour 72 kilometer. Okay, that means the particular vehicles, maybe ninja bike, maybe bullet bike, or anything else, it can cover 72 kilometer in 1 hour. That is 72 kilometer per hour. That is the meaning of that. Now we have to convert into meter per second. So first of all, we have to convert the kilometer into meter and hour into second. Okay. So on the I think it is in class 3 problem. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, okay, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. You are standing kilometer. Now come convert to into the meter. So you have to multiply it by 1. How many number of hectometer, decameter, and meter? Number of 3 zeros are there. That means you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, so here write down 1000 into 72. Now 1 hour equals to how many seconds? That is 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So therefore 1 hour equals to 60 into that is 3600 second. So if you divided by this value by 3600 second, then we will convert into the meter per second. Okay. That is divided by 3600. Now 00, 36 1 ja, 36 2 ja. That is 10 to 20 meter per second. That means vehicle which can cover 70 km per hour. If you measure in meter per second, so this vehicle can cover 20 meter per second. In 1 second, cover 20 meter. Is that clear? Okay. So the next problem is if you can take 3 minutes to walk down a street 258 meter long, find his speed in kilometer. Okay. 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 If a man takes 3 minutes to walk down a street 258, here given data is time is given 3 minutes and total distance traversed 258 meter. Now the question is asking what is the speed of kilometer per hour? Kilometer per hour. That is the question. That means in 60 minutes, what should be the vehicle can cover the distance? Okay. So here we are using the unitary method, right? So in 3 minutes, the vehicles or the car travel 258 meter. Therefore, in 1 minute, the car travel 258 divided by 3. Now, the question is in hour. That means in 60 minutes, the car travels 258 into 60 divided by 3. That is meter per hour. But the question asking about the kilometer per hour. So the result, if that the result is given is 5,160 meter per hour. If you divided by 1,000, then this meter converted into kilometer. So here 3 zeros are there. Now from right part, we are counting 3.1, 2 and 3. Place point here. That is 5.16 kilometer per hour. Okay. Clear? Okay. Okay. We remove it. Any problem regarding this math is comment. The next question is if panther runs at the speed of 80 km per hour, that means here speed is given. Speed is given 80 km per hour. And what distance required in 90 minutes? 90 minutes. Right? 1 by 2 hours. Okay. The question, what distance will it cover? So here we can apply unitary method. In case of the question number 4, we apply formula. That means distance equals to speed into time. 1 by 2 hour equals to 3 by 2 hours. So speed is 80 kilometer and time is 3 by 2 hours. The unit, what will be the unit? Unit should be kilometer. 2 4 ja, that is 120 kilometer in 90 minutes. Any problem? So here again, here speed is given 80 km per hour and time is given 90 minutes. 90 minutes is equivalent to 1 hour 30 minutes. So we can write that 1 by 2, that is the 3 by 2 hours. So and we just simply apply the formula here. So if you can try if you can use the unitary method also, okay, the same result will come. Okay. In next class, how long will take a bus traveling at 48 km/h to cover a distance of 60 meters? Okay. Here speed is given. Speed is given 48 km per hour. 48 km per hour and 360 meter. The distance 360 meter. Distance given 360 meter. So find out the time. The asking the how long will it take to find out the time? Okay, they are asking about the time. So two parameters is given: 40 km per hour and distance is 360 km, 360 meter. Now one important part is two, one is kilometer and another is meter. Either you have to convert this meter to kilometer or this kilometer to meter. Then same unit is required to sort out this problem. Then the better option is if I convert this unit to meter. Okay. So the speed is given 48. So before the problem, before problem we'll sort out by formula. Now this problem I'll try to sort out in unitary method. One problem I will try to sort out the unitary method. Another problem in the formulas. Okay. So these two methods is very essential for this problem. Now that means 48 kilometer equals to 48,000 meter. Okay. So then a bus cover 48,000 meter in 3600 seconds. When you convert it to this kilometer into meter, you have to convert the hour to second or minute, or you can write 60 seconds, 60 minutes, any no problem. Okay. Now a bus cover in 1 meter in 60 by 48,000. A bus cover 360 meter in 60 360 divided by 48,000. 3 2 218 240 29 220, that is 9 by 20 minute. Now we can convert into this into the second. How to convert it? Simply 9 by 20 if you multiply it by 60, this minute convert into the second, that is 23 9.7 seconds. So in 360 meters the bus can travel 20, the bus will take 27 seconds to finish his journey. Clear? Question number 7 or question number 6. A car cover 100 km in 400 and then another 240 kilometer in 3 by 1 by 2 hour. Find its average speed. So here distance is given. Distance, first case, here two cases are there. First case, distance 200 kilometers. Okay. Okay, network problem. Okay, in my next video, I'll try to sort out the network issue. Okay, this is my first time online video, so I'll face a little bit of problem. So I think I will sort out in my next video the problem. Okay, অনেকটা problem. Quality lag করছে না? What will be the solution? কাকে? My brightness is fine. Sometimes it is all well, but sometimes it is giving trouble. Okay. Brightness is okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay. It is not. It is okay. Is it okay or not? Is it okay? No. Ankit Roy said no. Why? What is the problem, Ankit? Sashoto said yes. Wait. Romy, it is too bright. Okay. My sound is okay? Clear? Okay, sir, continue. No problem. Okay. The next problem. Okay. The distance the truck travel, a car covers 200 kilometer in 200 kilometer. The time is taken for 1 by 2 hours. Okay. And then another truck take distance 240 kilometers and time taken 1 by 2 hours. Okay. And the question is asking, find its average speed. Simply, what will be the average speed of this truck? Simply, so we know that speed equals to distance by time. That is now total distance. First find out the total distance. That means The truck first truck cover 200 km in 4.5 hours. Second time, this truck cover 240 km in 3.5 hours. So what will be the average speed? So average speed means total distance divided by total time. Okay, so total distance equals to 200 kilometer plus 240 kilometers. That is 440 kilometers, and total time, that is 1 by 2. You can write 4.5 plus 3.5, that is 8 hours. What will be the average speed? Then average speed equals to total distance by time. Total distance by total time, that is equals to total distance is 440 divided by total time is 8 hours. So 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40, that is 55 kilometer per hour. Unit is very important. Shivam said no sound is not clear. So this is first time I'm just far away from my network, so I think little bit lacking is happening. So in my next class, I'll try to sort out this lacking portion. Total time, yes, total distance by total time. Put it here. Total distance, you concentrate. Total distance by total time. That is total distance traversed by the car. First time it travels 200 km in 4.5 hours. Next time he definitely the truck speed up 240 kilometers in 3.5 hours. It will travel more distance in less time. So what is the average distance or average speed? So basically you have to add the total distance, that is the truck can traverse or travel 440 kilometer total distance, that is 440, and it took 8 hours to traverse these 440 kilometers, right? Now the average speed is 55 kilometer per hour. Clear? Any problem? Okay. And Shivam, continue. If you face any problem regarding that, inform me. Comment section. Okay. Question number, next question. A train covered the first 160 kilometer at a journey at 40 kilometer per hour. Now we discuss the formula here. Okay. So, question number 9. Question number 9. A train covered a 40 kilometer per hour. That means fast. Question number. So fast 160 kilometer of journey at 40. What is the meaning of 160 kilometer journey? That is distance 160 kilometer, and journey of speed is given 40 kilometer per hour. What is the meaning of that? That means the particular train, the speed of the particular train is 40 kilometer per hour. In this speed, the train travels 160 kilometer. So in that case, first find out how much time it took to finish this or cover this distance. So time equals to distance by speed. At the beginning of the session, I gave the some example also. So here distance is 160 kilometer and the speed is 40 kilometer per hour. That is 4 4 just 16. The time is 4 hours. So in first case, I got the time in 4 hours. That in the next 180 kilometer at the speed of 40 kilometer per hour. That means distance equals to 180 kilometer and speed is given 45 kilometer per hour. Okay. So here again find out the time. So time equals to again distance by speed, that is 180 by 45. 45 for the 180, that is hour. So 4 hour. That is the second part. And the third part again the last 200 kilometer. So the distance equals to 200 kilometer and the speed is given 80 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the time equals to, what is the problem, Ramit? My sound is cutting. Is it clear? Hello? Is it clear? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? My sound is clear? Hello? No. Check behind my t-shirt, okay? In behind, can you hear me, Ramit? Is it clear, my sound? Okay, okay. 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 The time is 200 by speed, distance by speed, 50. 5 for the 4 hours. The in the past is over 160 kilometer at the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. Cover 160 kilometer at the speed of 4 kilometer per hour. We just by train is 4 hours. Distance kilometer, the speed is boosted up. The time taken by the train is 4 hours. Now the first question is asking what is the total time take to complete the journey. So it is very clear that in first case it took 4 hours. Therefore, total time taken by the train the total time taken by the train is, therefore the total time taken by the train is 4 hours, that is 12 hours. Okay. And the next question, the average speed of the train during the whole journey. The average speed. If the average speed, we know that is total distance by total time. So total distance by total time. So total distance in first case, the train cover 160 km. In second case, the train cover 180 km. And the third case, the train cover 200 kilometers. And the total time is 12. That is that is 0 540 divided by 12. 48, 60 for 5 ja. That is 45 kilometer per hour. Put your microphone on the board. The sound is not clear. Okay. Listen to me. Okay. Listen to me, all of you. So this is my first time we are facing lot of problem or lacking problem, sound problem. So I'll try to sort out in my next class. I think it will not happen again. So at the end, today I'm not going to continue my class. So everyone, thank you. Attend my class and good night.